In today's video, we will be discussing how to give yourself a professional manicure at home. Everyone needs to relax sometimes, but you don't need to pay those expensive spa bills to experience a professional manicure at home. Recreate the spa atmosphere. Light a few candles and put them around your bathroom. Then get into your comfiest bathrobe and slippers and relax with some soothing music. Remove old nail polish. Apply nail polish remover to a cotton ball. 100% acetone is what professionals use. Hold the moistened cotton ball on the nail for about 5 seconds to soften the old nail polish. Then wipe away. Buff your nails. Limit buffing to when you have staining or peeling. Unnecessary buffing can make your nails thin and weak. Soak your hands for 5 minutes. This removes dirt and softens the hands. Then pat dry with a hand towel and use a hand moisturizer. Push your cuticles back. Apply a cuticle remover. Gently push your cuticles back from the nail with a cuticle stick. Apply base coat. A base coat protects your nail from chemicals in the polish that weaken the nail. It also helps in preventing the nail polish from turning your nails yellow. Paint your nails. Using your favorite nail polish, apply 3 even strokes on your nail. 1 stroke down the middle and 1 stroke to each side. Let dry for 5 minutes. Then apply a second coat. Apply top coat. A top coat prevents chipping and, depending on the type, helps the nail polish dry faster. Wait for your nails to dry. Wait about 15 minutes for your nails to dry before touching anything. Tips. Apply a nail moisturizer every night to avoid dry, brittle nails. Store nail polish in a cool place. It's better to apply thin coats of polish instead of thick coats. Getting the right amount of vitamins and minerals strengthens your nails, making your nails more beautiful looking and healthy. OPI nail polish is a great nail polish, not sponsored by OPI. If you have yellow nails, soak them in warm milk for 5 minutes. Then dip your nail in a half-cut lemon and leave it overnight or until most of it has dried up. This will help whiten your nail naturally. No chemicals are needed and it's very inexpensive. Reapply the top coat every day to make your manicure last longer. Before doing anything, soak each hand in a professional manicure dish with mild dish detergent that has a moisturizer built in. This will help to loosen up the dry cuticles and any nail debris you will need to remove. Choose a good quality nail polish that won't damage your nails. OPI is the best. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe.